Hi, Mini Mathsco team here to introduce you to our Virtual Careers Week.
Did you know that almost every job uses your basic maths skills day to day? Check out this range of videos to see how maths is used in a variety of jobs from STEM to hair and beauty.
And remember, maths counts.
Enjoy.
Hi, my name is Selina Rai and I am a structural engineer at an engineering consultancy firm called Arab. As part of my role, I design buildings and structures to make sure that they're stable, secure, and that they can withstand any loads that's been applied to it. This could be in the form of people using the buildings or environmental conditions. When it comes to designing buildings, there are a lot of different problems to be solved. And to reach practical solutions for these problems, maths plays a fundamental part in achieving this. Buildings are made up of lots of different elements, be that floor, beams, walls, columns, foundations, and it's really important for me to use maths to calculate how much load is going to be supported by these elements. Based on this, I can design the elements and say that the beam should be X millimeters deep or that the column should be spaced X meters apart. As the design progresses, I can use maths again to calculate the volumes of materials to be used, the embodied carbon of a design, or the overall costings of a project. I can show these maths by using simple pen and paper, calculator at hand, Excel sheets, or sometimes software packages with the formulas inbuilt into them. So yes, maths plays an essential part of my day-to-day role as a structural engineer.